In this video, I will show you how to follow a blog on Blogspot. First, you need to sign in to your Blogger or Blogspot account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the blog you want to follow and copy its URL from the address bar. Now, return to your Blogger dashboard and look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you find the Reading List option. Click on it. At the top right of this page, you will see a Manage option. Click on it and a new section will open where you can manage the blogs you follow. To add a new blog to your reading list, click on the Add button and paste the copied URL into the provided field. At this point, you will be given two options. You can follow the blog publicly, which means your blogger profile will be visible as a follower of that blog, or you can follow it anonymously so that your name does not appear on the blog's follower list. Choose the option that best suits you and then click Follow to complete the process. Once you have followed the blog, it will appear in your reading list, allowing you to view its latest posts directly from your Blogger dashboard.